Hello, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of investments and finance. Today, we are exploring the top 10 books that every investor should read to navigate the markets more effectively. Let's get started. First up, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This timeless classic teaches the principles of value investing and emphasizes the importance of a margin of safety. Graham's strategies of protecting oneself from significant errors and demanding a significant margin of safety are crucial in today's market. Next, we have A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. Malkiel suggests that asset prices exhibit signs of a random walk, challenging the idea of consistently beating the market. It's a perfect blend of theory and practical advice for any investor. Moving on to Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Fisher advocates for a long-term approach, focusing on companies with strong growth potential. He introduces scuttlebutt, doing your own groundwork, which makes this book a must-read for serious investors. Then there's the Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Bogle champions index investing, showing how low-cost index funds are a reliable way to match market performance. This book is essential for understanding the power of simplicity in investing. In One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, the focus is on leveraging what you know to find investment gems. Lynch's insights on analyzing financial statements and understanding company health are invaluable for personal investing. Warren Buffett's wisdom is encapsulated in the essays of Warren Buffett, Lessons for Corporate America by Lawrence A. Cunningham. This collection provides a deep dive into Buffett's investment strategies and his philosophy on corporate governance and ethics. Benjamin Graham and David Dodd's security analysis lays the groundwork for value investing. The author's methodical approach to assessing intrinsic values offers a blueprint for investing that eschews speculation. George Soros's The Alchemy of Finance explores market reflexivity, a concept where the perceptions of investors and actual fundamentals influence each other, leading to cycles and bubbles. It's a fascinating read on market dynamics. Daniel Kahneman's thinking, Fast and Slow, isn't just about investing, but its exploration of decision-making psychology is crucial for investors. Understanding cognitive biases and their impact can greatly enhance financial decision-making. Lastly, Principles, Life and Work by Ray Dalio shares success principles in finance and life. Dalio's approach to portfolio diversification, risk management, and decision-making criteria is enlightening for any investor. And there you have it, the top 10 books that every investor should have on their shelf. Each book offers unique insights into the complexities of the financial world, equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Happy reading and investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips and tricks. See you in the next video.